All right, Annalise.
Hi.
Hi.
Annalise, can you say hi?
Hi, baby. Look at my hand.
You have his hand? Does he have a big hand or a tiny hand?
Or is it a tiny hand?
Yeah. Can you count his fingers for me?
For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good
Look
job.
at my hand. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, you can beat. Oh no. My sticker on
He
it.
has a sticker on his feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He has 7 toes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And
I'm holding baby.
wow, you're holding the baby. What do you think?
He's so cute. I rock him to sleep.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What my baby? Happy heart. Now come, baby. Hey, come on. Let's put on sleep.
Good job.
Let's. Oh no. I have a baby on it.
You have a baby. Should Mom pick up the baby? Oh, hold on.
Careful.
Two iron.
It's okay. It's okay. Here. Let's give Daddy the baby and Mama